Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to create amazing party popper effect in our own Android application. So this is very fascinating to show user whenever they receive some kind of reward or achievement. So for this task, we will be using one library named as Confetti, and in this tutorial, I will be guiding you through all the things how you can set up this. And this is very simple task, so you will be able to learn at the end of the tutorial how you can implement that in your own application in this quick tutorial. So let's get started. So here I am in my empty project. It is just a hello world program, and I have just integrated a data binding here. Nothing else I have integrated. So let us first understand what we are going to achieve. So here in the emulator, I am running the application which I have built earlier regarding this tutorial. So I have created a button, play confetti here, and when I click on this button, then see how the confetti appears. Amazing, right? So this is what we are going to build in our application. So let me minimize the emulator for now. For that, we first need to add a dependency. So when you go to Google, you just need to search confetti android here, and you will get a first session here of the GitHub page. So just click on this. So this library will be going to use confetti. uh, Actually the word is C, start from C, but the library name is starts from K. So here we have been provided two dependencies. This is for a compose project and this for the XML based project. So we'll be using this XML based project. So I'll just copy this from here, and I need to paste it in our build.gradle. So I have already pasted the dependency implementation, this dependency, and whatever the version mentioned there, the latest version. So just sync your project and you are ready to set it up. So in our activity main.xml, we will be creating our button here. Let me convert these to a button, and we'll name it as a play confetti, and I'll constrain it here according to our requirements. Yes, let me give it id play underscore confetti. Okay, and here I have to create a one layout of the confetti which we get after adding the library. So I just type ko. So I am getting this session confetti view. So I'll just click on enter, and we need to add a constraint to this. So I'll make it the width as a match parent, height as a 0 dp in order to match it to the constraints. So I'll constraint it, constraint top to top of parent, and constraint bottom to top of this button play confetti, so that we want our view should fill all the required space, all the remaining space. And let me add id to this confetti underscore view. Yes, so that's it about xml. So now let's move towards main activity, and here just follow along this guide and you will be very easily implement this. So we need to create this party object. So let me copy this party object from here, and I'll paste it here. Party, let's import this, all the things you need to import, and make sure that you are importing all from the our newly added library and not from Android package. This emitter, this time unit also, this time unit we can import from java.util. So that's fine. And later when we need to play this effect, we need to only call this single method uConfetti.start, and we need to pass this party object which we have created just now. So let me just copy this, and on the button click we need to uh, make this confetti. So binding dot then confetti dot set on click listener, and here I'll again set binding dot confetti view dot was that start function? Yeah, it was a start function dot start, and we need to pass this party object. Sorry, we need to get that in our one of the variable, not parent, sorry, party, rty party, and we'll pass this party here. Yeah, that's it. That's the only thing we need to do. So now let me open my emulator, and let me first uninstall this older application. Yeah, it is uninstalled, and let me now run our new application on this emulator and see how it works. So yes, we are running our newly built application, and now I click on this play confetti, and yes, we are getting the same effect. We can click here on this again and again in order to uh, play multiple bashes. So for this, we can add some customizations like let me show the customization. So one just spread. So this 360 means the confetti will be the that elements will be spread all over the screen. If you just set it as a let me rub this and run this with 60, so it will be only go to the 60 degrees. So let us see how it changes. Yeah, this is on the 60 degrees, so it is just happening in at this side. So 360 means it will happen, it will make a whole circle and it will spread all over. So that is the most, that is most things, that is a thing most of the people want, but we can customize this according to our requirements. And also there is some attribute. If we control click on this class, we get all of the attributes here. So that is one attribute I would like to show you, that is time to live. So how much time after uh, after this confetti effect, how much time the elements will stay there. So this duration is by default 2000 milliseconds, and we can extend this by overriding this explicitly declaring here. What was that? Time to live. Yes, time to live. Let me do it as a 5000, and let's rerun our application and see how it differs from our first implementation. Let's click, and now you'll observe that these elements are available for 5 seconds, like more in a more duration. So this is how we can customize this according to our different requirements. So this is how we can create this amazing effect in our own Android application. You will find the dependency in the description itself. I hope that is this tutorial is clear to you. If not, you have, if you are encountering some issues, you can put your comments in the comment box below. I will try my best to answer those. If you like this video, then please click on like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you will be stay updated whenever every new video is published. We will meet in the next tutorial with some another interesting concept. Till then, goodbye. Have a good day.